'09 Chevy Impala LT, I think. It has some brake issues. What's it do?
The ABS, it'll flash on and then you can feel it drag and then it releases.
So let's put a computer on it and see if we got any kind of codes or anything. Go from there. Hey! So we'll go ahead and automatic ID it. Looks like the right VIN number. I didn't check it, but I hope it is. Come on, baby. So it has one ABS code, one HVAC code. Scroll down here. And left front wheel bearing sensor circuit fault.
That's where it feels like it's coming from.
So we'll go into code tips. And we was C0035. So C0035. To see what it says about it. We'll go right here and go right. We'll go up by the school because then we can go back and forth and stuff.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm hoping I don't have big glare. Same pretty much, except for I don't know if you guys can see that little nibbin right there.
School's right?
Yeah, used to be the school. Because there we can stop and back up and
See if we can
stop, yeah, without.
What you want me to do? Stop? Whatever. 5 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're gonna go up here. Just stop. Just come to a stop. Let your computer have a second to get caught up. Now just go as like slow. Just let it kind of almost. Stop. Okay, now back up and try it once.
21 to stop.
Okay. Now the next thing I do, but you might have to do it somewhere. The next thing I usually do, I'll go slow and
work the wheels back.
Work the wheel back and forth. That way, if it'd be a wire or something, or if a bearing has play in it, sometimes you'll catch it. Okay. All right, you can go straight. Okay, let me stop and look at this real quick. I do see, every once in a while I see on the left one, I do see that spike.
I go to pull out on the highway.
And when it's cold?
Yes. And
do you remember it doing any other time though?
No, the light is flashed on, but
See, it might just be that we're not hardly picking it up, but the code is for that left front. Okay. And usually, like I say, the dropouts, if you start getting dropouts or glitches, a lot of times it's below 10 mile an hour, you'll catch them. See, like right there was a big spike in the one right here whenever you went to turn. See the spike right here that these ones down here don't have. So we do have a little bit of evidence to confirm left front wheel. Unless you're catching it right when it's doing it, it's hard to.
Yeah, oh, I know it. Just,
but you can kind of see that spike right there. It's not in the other ones. So, like I say, that's enough to confirm there's a backup of the code. So you're looking at something in that front.
driver's side front.
Yes. And it's probably going to be, most of the time, is wheel bearing. So you really got a lot of spikes that time when you stopped. See, when he come to a stop that time and this time, I hope that's showing. See all them little spikes up on top? See all these little lines up on here? Those are all glitches. See, you don't have them on any of the other lines. And when we come down the hill and come to a stop, here's the first glitches. And we backed in, turned the wheel, and he hit the brakes. There was another glitch. See the lines coming up? None of the other ones have that. So that means that that sensor is misreading. Now, there's a lot of things it could be. Could it be dirty? Something stuck up in the wheel, little counter wheel thing. Could it be a wheel bearing going bad? Could it be that the little sensor is getting what they call rust jacked, where it gets rust under it and picks it up a little bit and makes the gap too high? There's several things. So the next thing you'd have to really do is, you know, something in the left front, so you'd have to tear it apart and look at everything and see if it needs a bearing or whatever. You're probably as safe as bet is just to put a bearing on in the front, and you're probably okay. Wheel assembly, sorry.